The soul of a piano resides in its strings, and the connectors linking those strings to the soundboard are crucial for tone. How does the Omni 5-axis machining center bring life to these tiny components? The Omni 5-axis machining center, with its powerful multi-axis capabilities, breaks through traditional machining limitations. Whether it's intricate curves or complex holes, it can be formed in one go. This precise machining ensures a perfect fit between the connector, strings, and soundboard, maximizing the piano's pure tone. Every detail is meticulously calculated and rigorously controlled. The Omni 5-axis machining center, with its exceptional precision and stability, ensures the connector's perfect quality. This dedication to detail is what creates the unique tone of the Keybird piano. The Omni 5-axis machining center not only improves production efficiency but also enhances the Keybird piano's exceptional tone and quality. This is the perfect blend of technology and art. The Omni 5-axis machining center, with its powerful machining capabilities, provides endless possibilities for Keybird piano manufacturing. We look forward to it creating more miracles in more fields.